So let me present you this new project. Camera the other way around. So this is customer Tucker. This furniture is a charcoal anthracite supermat board. So we have an overhanging island with a breakfast bar with a nice LED under. See, under the worktop there is a nice discrete LED which gives a nice light inside the unit as well. It's all in black with a black profile on top. White quartz. Under-mounted sink in porcelain. On the counter fridge, freezer. Sink with a nice double bucket bin. 40 liters each. Obviously everything is soft close as it should be. Have a nice dishwasher in the island as well. In here we created this big opening. We used to have a partition wall somewhere in there, so we opened it up, and we had a nice bifold door which is due to come in the next few days. On this side we have the fridge, freezer, we have storage, larder, we have extractor fan under mounted, as you can see, an induction hob with pan drawers. So starting from here, the fridge, freezer, we have some storage baskets, again everything soft close as it should be. Then a tiny storage unit, big pan drawers, and we have a cutlery drawer internally. Again, obviously everything is soft close. And mirroring the right hand side, we have exactly the same thing over here with the oven. So I hope you like it. So this is an anthracite supermat with super white quartz and Miele appliances.